Just Play is an integrated platform that teaches, engages, and connects our athletes. Everything is more advanced and explores more in depth with our plays, terminology, scouting reports, and drill work. It is available on all iOS, Android, and web devices. It creates interactive scouting reports that automate rosters and statistics, build player profiles with notes and video, assign matchups to focus on, and better prepare ourselves for our next opponent. We are able to test our players with video, text, image, and image-based questions to improve accountability and retention. We are able to track the performance with in-depth quiz reporting, automate questions from scouting report information. This will keep our players engaged and learning year-round. We're able to encourage competition with team leaderboards. We will then build quizzes according to the interests of our players. The video examples will explain the purpose of why we need to learn and drill a certain aspect of our game for that upcoming week. In addition to Just Play, we will use GroupMe to create groups for the parents, the entire team, offensive, defensive units, and position groups. Any player with a question can ask in those chats, and everyone can provide their feedback through images, videos, and text responses. Lastly, Screencast-O-Matic is a tool I want our players to use for the night before our meetings. Older players will go first and film themselves going through their film on DV Sport 360 as shown here, explaining their assignment, technique, and the defense run.